African people tend to shy away from the existence of witchcraft and guise it as a superstition. However, the effect of witchcraft has left Africans seeking for ways to remedy it. Thus, in Isambulo Zemboni, Dr. Uzwilezwe Khatebe have become the recommended remedy amongst many Africans who have suffered under witchcraft. Let us now take a look at some of the testimonies from ordinary individuals who have used Isambulo Zemboni. First up are testimonies from Ebubesini, followed by branches in the Western Cape, Eastern Cape, and Northwest, and outside the South African borders, Mozambique.
Igama lami ndingubongelwa Nyebelele kwindawo yase-Ekenof. Ndingumajola uyemyemu usophitsha uvela bembhentsela uNgqolomsile. Ndibonga Uzwelezwe phantsi komfihlakalo ubaba wethu othe wasiphathela ukukhanya kwindawo yase-Jackson. Ndithi nam masotsha ndiwathathile amanzi kunye notywala olungcwele ndimane ndichela ngawe njalo ntambama manilala. Ekuqaleni besikade sisilwa ndingayiboni nemali esandleni iphelela nje esandleni, kodwa ithe ndisakuthatha intsebenzelo zelikhaya kwaba khona umehluko omnye endiwubonileyo. Ndibone isikhumba senyoka ndiklina phakathi endlini. Emva koko ndayibona inyoka iphila sayithatha sayibulala. Ndithi nam ndibonga insebenzo zelikhaya. Ndiyabonga masotsha.
Masotsha kuhle. Igama lami ndinontloko Xabandi siyo-Coastal Branch. Ndizothanda ukubonga amandla mfihlakalo phantsi kwesandla sababuzwelezwe. Masotsha bendingumuntu ohlutshwa zinyawo kakhulu suka 2018. Ngithe Sunday ndizokhanyisela amanzi enhlambuluko yonyaka. Xa ndifike endlini ndawabeka ngomvulo ndawasebenzisa. Ndithe xa ndiwasebenzisa yaphuma inyoka ekamereni yam. Caba inyoka ndayihleli phaa. Ndiyathemba njengoba bambeke elomlingo uba zonke izinto zizokhanya and nam ndiziva ndikhulekile apha enyaweni nasemsebenzini. Ndiyathemba kuzokhanya zulu.
Kuhle masotsha kuhle. Igama lami ndinguzanelwa kwaNgcobo eCoastal Branch. Masotsha ngithanda ukubonga amandla amfihlakalo ngaphansi kwesandla sikababa imboni Uzwilezwe. Masotsha ngumuntu ohlutshwa sisibeletho since from 2018. Masotsha izolo ngaphambi kokuba ngigeze ngengaphathwa umchamo ngabe sengiyochama. Ngichame iplastiki elimnyama elinebhotile ngaphakathi. Lelo bhotile belinomuthi obomvu nenaliti. Masotsha ngithanda ukubonga amandla amfihlakalo. Ngikhiphile lo mlingo ngikhulekile ngiright.
Sizophuma e-Eastern Cape siye e-Northwest ebranchini sase-Itsoseng lapho khona kunomama othena ubelokhu elandelela insebenzo zesambulo ikhaya lomoya, ikakhulukazi insebenzo zenkaniso every Tuesday. Umama uthi waqala manje ukuphathwa yikhanda kanye futhi namahlombe. On a Sunday umama kuye kwaphakama isimo somoya sichaza ukuba bamfake inyoka ukuze le nyoka ikwazi ukumcindezela. Umama belokhu eqhubekeka elandelela insebenzo. Kuthe ngolunye usuku lapho khona umama ebephuma umsebenzini, uthe uma efika ekhaya wafika wathola kunezinyoka. Umama uyakholela ukuthi ngokubambeka koyona lemlingo kukhona ukukhanya okuzovela empilweni yakhe. Uyawabonga amandla kamfihlakalo. Sizophuma eSouth Africa siye eMozambique ebranchini sasejunda lapho khona sinobaba othena uye wavela isilonda onyaweni lakhe. Lesi silonda that caused serious damage kudolo lakhe. Ubaba uthi lokho sekwamphoqelela ukuba ayeke umsebenzi kanti futhi odokotela bebemchazela ukuthi kuzomela ukuthi asike unyawo lakhe. Kodwa ngemva kokuthi alandelele insebenzo zesambulo ikhaya lomoya ikakhulukazi amanzi abusisiwe, ubaba ukwazi ukuthi ekugcineni akuthole ukuphila. Uyawabonga amandla kamfihlakalo.
Libitsa la ka ke Carol Matlhodi Mashishi ke belege kwa Kgwathe. My first experience was very powerful. Mo le goreng ke ithutile about more of my background, more of my roots, mo le goreng the broken things mo bophelong ba ka go etsagetseng. Like we should not ignore our ancestors. We should recognize them as gore tsamara connecta le bona. So ke ithutile go le gontsi ka message wa today and otlo go nkaga and ke tlo go lokisa tse dintsi mo bophelong ba ka ka message o go thotseng ka jeko ka leboga. Thank you.
Mina ngundlovu nguMichael. Ngugatsheni uboya benyathu obusonga busombuluke. Into engiyithole namhlanje lana bengizenkonzweni leya la kwaBaphadebe iRevelation Spiritual Church. la khona ngingasho ngithi ngithole izinto eziningi nje ezihlukile kunezinto enginokuyibona mhlambe or enginokuzizwa kwezinye inkonzo mhlambe ngasho futhi ngithi neyincazelo concerning impilo yesintu. Today mangilana ngithola enye into ekutheni mina ngumuntu omnyama it's like bengilo ngihamba ngilandela inkonzo zabanye abantu angibuzi ngeorigin yami njengomuntu waseAfrika ukuthi kanti njengoba ngikhala ngokuthi izinto azilungi kwalahleka kuphi manje mangibheka la ubaba uHadebe namhlanje enkonzweni namhlanje uyayichaza le nto ekutheni sihlushwa yini ukulandela inkolo noma ukulandela izinto zabantu ngizothini for it's like ukuworshipa like foreign gods izinto ezifanele singabuzi ukuthi kanti okwethu kuhamba kanjani kungakho ekugcineni sithola lokho sisogola sihlupheka silungisa lokho akulungi silungisa lokho akulungi kodwa mawubheka amandiya uyazibuza ukuthi why ngaso sonke isikhathi izinto abaziyenzayo lapho kuma Muslim ba succeed baba right bayaphila baba rich babanjani but thina every day we keep on crying ayikho into elungayo hayi phahla mhlambe uphahle nalabo ungajelo nokuthi ufuna uphahle kanjani but today ngiyathola kubaba uHadebe ukuthi ufuna ukuthi uchaze indaba yokuthi umuntu akayithole being an African somebody origin yakhe ukuthi where does things went wrong. Once what discover ukuthi izinto ziyezalahleka kuphi then you'll be able to find yourself. So ngiyambonga ubaba uHadebe ngendlela engibona inkonzo lena ayichaza ngakhona ekutheni asilandeni we need to go back so buza noma siyosearch ukuthi kahle where were those missing pages ngoba thina really we are lost. We are just a lost generation esintwini empilweni yemnyama instead wesinsikhathi siyacriticizeana senza zonke lezi zinto. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi umholi omuhle umprofeti oright othunyele umveli ncama noma othunyele uNkulunkulu okumdali wethu ekutheni akasibonisi. Actually we need to be sikhonjwe i-direction then things will go okay. Siyabonga imfundiso noma inkonzo yanamhlanje engithole. It's my first day to be here but ngifunde nje okuningi.
Andibulise kumasoja alendawo lapha ekhaya. Ndingumashiya uzigodi umbaba lokuqabathokoza umbane wezulu uzigodi. Ikhaya lami liphaya Fletcher kwilala yaseFletcher vini nokudzingwa ifana. Hey izolo bekungulu bekungqibelo pha amaxesheni uma past 4 Diphume endlini zele mall ndiyothenga izinto zasendlini nihamba nenkosikazi. Hayi ndifumana abantu bemile lapha emgwaqweni basemagroundini kuthethwa kunebandla labantu abayoculayo abantu bakuthi bekhona bebehlangene. Manifika nimamela into kuba apha kuthethwa ngenkonzo. Konzo leyo makuthethwa ngayo manimamela umlezo wakhona. Ndafumana ukuthi lo mlezo lona uyandikhulisa uyandiphilisa. Hayi ithe mandifumana lo mlezo ndanyuka ndaqonda mankosikazi make sinyuke siya ngapha siyofumana lo mlezo indaba ezigcwele lapha ekhaya. Kenya namhlanje kwecawa sifikile lapha ekhaya ndafumana umlezo lo ukuba lo mlezo ufumana lapha ekhaya uyaqhubeleka nemthandazo wakhona ba umthandazo wakhona umhle kakhulu ngokuba uthandaza ngesandi sasekhaya ngoba mina ndingumuntu wakwantu lihlubo kwami ndithandile bangethethe ngesihlubo lo tata lo ndaqonda ha utsho apha kumi egazini baye kokwami ndiyaphila ndilihlubi. Impilo yakwantu ndithanda kakhulu ngoba ndixabisile ngoba ndazi imveli lapho ndisuka khona ndizalwa ngotata nobamkhulu nokhokho notata omkhulu nomakhulu bethu. Asizalwa ngabantu abamhlophe abasuka ngenhla sikaba lapha kwilizwe laseAfrika. Ke ngoku apho ndikhoyo ndibonga kakhulu indlela ekuthethwa ngayo ukufundiswa ngayo izinto zasekhaya ngoba ndibona uba ndilahleka ngayo ngene ekhaya ngakumbe emahlubini ngoba nami ndilihlubi. Enkosi mthumkhulu Hadebe.
Social media plays a very important role in modern day society. People have the opportunity to voice out their opinions and issues that affect them either positively or negatively. The Revelation Spiritual Home too has an online presence and has people talking about its influence on their lives. This week's question: why is it important to be spiritual as opposed to being religious? Let us take a look at some of the comments.
Nonhlakanipho enhle at nonhlakanipho. As a person, you have to be spiritual, not religious, because when you are spiritual, you will know that you are above earthly matters and need no book to encourage you when you are going through tough times. #Imboni Uzwilezwe, #African Revival. Memory Sibanda at Memory S. Spirituality is important because it is very diverse, as it allows us to connect with our ancestors with honor and dignity. Be economically empowered, doesn't have binding doctrines. It allows people to think out of the box, be realistic and critical. #Imboni Uzwilezwe. Andisiwe at _May. First of all, religion is man-made. Spirituality, on the other hand, is about revelations and real-life experiences. Living in spirituality means you are in touch with your true senses of being and are living in reality. Our reality is that we have those who lived before us, our ancestors. When we live in spirituality, we start to honor and recognize their role in our lives, whereas in religion, we insult them and idolize ancestors of other nations. #African Revival, #Imboni Uzwilezwe. Mureri Siekaya at Mureri. Being spiritual connects us with our roots, our ancestors, and encourages the perseverance of our cultures. Religion demonizes our roots, ancestors, and all what God created us with, especially our prophets, indigenous healers, Izangom. #Imboni Uzwilezwe, #African Revival. Ntombizandile at Ntombis. Religion is limited. It has a starting point and ending point, as it is based on a book that is made by people. Spirituality is an ongoing thing that can't be diluted. It's pure. As Africans, it is important to be spiritual, as it makes you understand spiritual things. #Imboni Uzwilezwe.